In today's show, Teeka Tiwari's 5 coins to 5 million, the final 5 live crypto event goes down tomorrow, March 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern. In today's show, we're going to be discussing the 1 million% trade exclusive behind the scenes video that Teeka Tiwari just released today leading up to the live event for tomorrow. In this, he discusses the last time this crypto phenomenon hit. We've seen gains from 283,000% all the way up to over 1 million%. We'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin, gold, nothing is safe during a pandemic, according to crypto analyst Peter Brandt, who shared on crypto Twitter. Let's all admit it, the coronavirus pandemic and global equities, Bitcoin, PMs in free falls. Not many people will really care about hugging a tree. The color green is now out of favor. We'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, billionaire Tim Draper says Bitcoin and decentralization can transform trillion-dollar industries. In his most recent interview, we'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. Hallelujah, finally back in the green after a bloodbath of a week, to say the least. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more, in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host JV, and I'm pretty excited because 5 coins to 5 million, the final 5 live crypto event with Teeka Tiwari goes down tomorrow, March 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern. He's going to be selecting 5 tiny cryptocurrencies that can turn a tiny $500 investment into $5 million, thanks to a crypto market phenomenon guaranteed to hit in roughly 50 days. And FYI, it's not the Bitcoin halving, it's 2 factors occurring at one time. And if you don't know what I am talking about, I highly suggest clicking the link right down below this video in the description and then going through here and watching the videos, because the last video he released is called Inside the Phenomenon, and he gives you more detail to what he's talking about. And just today, he released the 1 million% trade. How would your life transform if you were able to see gains as high as 1 million%? And as you can see on your screen, the numbers don't lie. These are 5 tiny cryptos that he suggested to his readers and subscribers last time that have soared from literally 283,000% all the way up to 1 million%. And Teeka also has a track record of calling the best performing crypto assets for 4 years straight in a row. That's right. Back in 2016, he wrote a letter on a small crypto called Ethereum, back when it was trading at just a few dollars. Then in 2017, his top crypto pick of the year was a small tiny crypto called Ripple XRP, which was the best performing asset of 2017. It soared as high as about $3.70. And then in 2018, there was a crypto winter. Most all the crypto assets got depleted in value except his top pick, which was BNB, Binance Coin, which actually soared in 2018. Then last year, live during his 5 coins to 5 million event, which was back in September of 2019, he recommended Chainlink as his #1 crypto recommendation for 2019, which was the best performing crypto asset of the year. So Teeka has the track record to back it up, and that's why I'm so excited to see how this goes down tomorrow. So there's a video he also released today called How to Get Ready for the 5 coins, because I will tell you this, once he releases the information, the coins tend to soar in value because some of their market caps are tiny. Some of them are only trading in the pennies. And once this information is released, people buy it up because Teeka has a lot of influence in the space. He's voted the #1 most trusted guy in the crypto market, and that speaks volumes in of itself. So prepare yourself to take advantage of these picks if you're looking to invest in what could potentially turn $500 into $5 million. So how to get ready for the 5 coins. Part 1, this video shares setting up an account on Coinbase. And then part 2 says buying Bitcoin on Coinbase. Step number 3, how to get set up a Gemini account and buy Bitcoin, giving you different options because depending upon what part of the world you live, one exchange might not work and another may. So these are some of his top recommendations. Also, understanding a new process. This is perfect for a newbie who has never traded cryptocurrency before, and that's why I think it's so valuable to sign up and register by clicking the link right down below this video in the description and getting free access to all of this. Also, part 1 on how to use Bitrex, and then part 2, how to purchase crypto using Bitrex. And of course, you can claim 2 free bonuses and access to sweepstakes just by joining the event VIP list. And to do so, all you need to do is enter your best phone number and then click the button that says receive bonus. So why is Teeka Tiwari chartering a $45 million Gulfstream jet to take you to this top secret location? Well, he's doing it to help you move the financial needle in your life, and he truly believes down in his core that these picks can transform your life and turn you into a millionaire. This could be the biggest millionaire-making event in human history, and FYI, it's not the Bitcoin halving. It's a mixture of 2 things coming together that only occurs every 4 years. And for the past 6 months, Teeka, the independently ranked #1 most trusted person in crypto, has been on a world tour investigating a rare crypto market phenomenon, 100% guaranteed to happen only once every 4 years. It's not the halving, and the answer may surprise you. And to discover what that is, again, all you need to do is register and then watch the video inside the phenomenon. But first, watch Teeka's last leg. Go through it in order is my recommendation. Then watch video 2, inside the phenomenon, and then video 3 just released today, the 1,000,000% trade. And if you have questions for Big T, you get a chance to ask him during the live event. And then how to get ready for the 5 coins so you can take advantage of this rare crypto phenomenon. So go ahead and register if you haven't yet already done so. And let's get to our next story of the day. Bitcoin, gold, nothing is safe during a pandemic, according to Peter Brandt. Right? This guy right here. So let's talk about it. Are you still looking for a safe haven asset that could protect your savings during another economic crisis? This is a very challenging task since both Bitcoin and gold are tanking hard right now. And according to trading veteran Peter Brandt, things are not going to change during the coronavirus pandemic. Well, guess what? Green is out of favor. In his tweet, Brandt noted that even Europe's carbon emission allowances are now in a bear market. Interesting, right? The European Union allows companies to receive or buy EUA permits for every ton of emitted CO2, but preserving the environment doesn't seem to be the main priority anymore. You can say that again. Peter Brandt shared on crypto Twitter, EU carbon allowances now in a bear market. The target is 1620. And let's all admit it, the coronavirus pandemic and global equities, Bitcoin, PMs, and free falls, not many people will really care about hugging a tree. The color green is now out of favor. And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description for you to check it out. Peter Brandt quipped that investors don't care much about hugging trees when all markets, including Bitcoin and gold, are in the midst of a severe rout. The latter tanked by more than 5% throughout the day before winning back the $1,500 level. A quick look at practically any chart will show that green is out of the favor for now. Now, Bitcoin can crash to zero. Well, can it? After a quick 10% rally that was driven by the U.S. Federal Reserve cutting interest rates, we now have 0% interest rates, and I won't be surprised if soon we have negative interest rates. Bitcoin resumed its downtrend, plunging to an intraday low of $4,435. The leading crypto remains in quite a predicament after enduring its biggest flash crash in 7 years on March 12th. While investors are catching knives in search of the bottom of this correction, Brandt didn't rule out that Bitcoin could ultimately go to zero. This almost became a very real possibility on Black Thursday due to a string of BitMEX liquidations, which is very interesting that Bitcoin went to almost zero on the BitMEX platform, and Arthur Hayes did address it. But what I want to share now is the overall cryptocurrency market. We're currently trading at $5,235. That's Bitcoin up 10% for the day. The entire crypto market of all the major cryptos finally back in the green. We need this more than anything right now. I personally don't feel the risk of Bitcoin going down to zero. I know it's a possibility, so I shouldn't say it's impossible, but it's very improbable and very unlikely to happen, because as Bitcoin reaches new lows, more people purchase it up. You know what I mean? The whales are going to be buying it up. I'll tell you this, if Bitcoin went down to $1,000, I would purchase every bit of Bitcoin I can potentially get. I'd sell everything I own because I believe in it that much. And I think there's a lot of investors out there that believe in Bitcoin and its use case as much as I do, to say the least. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. But Ethereum is up 7%, trading at $115. XRP up 7%, trading at 14 cents. Holy moly, only 14 cents. Miss Litecoin up 10%, trading at $34. BSV up 11%, trading at $118. BCH up 12%, trading at $178. Link is up 12.5%, trading at $1.95. As you can see, liquidity is finally pumping once again into the crypto markets. And now for our next story of the day, billionaire Tim Draper says Bitcoin and decentralization can transform trillion-dollar industries. Yeah, baby. In a new episode of 415 Stories, legendary investor and tech venture capitalist Tim Draper says he expects Bitcoin and various protocols leveraging decentralization to transform multiple industries, not just finance. The paradigm shift will be comparable to how the internet revolutionized communications, shaped e-commerce, and affected global partnerships, says Draper. Now, there is the decentralization, and that is transforming currency right now with Bitcoin, but it is also converging with another technology that is also going to have a big impact, which is artificial intelligence. Those technologies now have the ability to transform the biggest industries in the world. It's not just currency, it's banking, finance, insurance, real estate, healthcare, government. All those industries, all in the trillions of dollars, they are all hugely valuable, have the potential to be transformed by these new technologies. To provide a concrete example, Draper said he can build a very efficient and effective insurance company by utilizing Bitcoin, AI, and blockchain. For example, I can start an insurance company with an actuary, AI to determine fraud, and then a smart contract with Bitcoin and put it all on the blockchain. Pretty slick, right? I'm going to include this video interview in the show notes below the video in the description so you can listen to it directly from the horse's mouth. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, we're sitting at 151 billion with 138 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current BTC dominance is 63.7%. And taking a look at the top gainers within the top 100, we have Dragon Coins leading the pack up 72%. Talk about fire. Trading at 10 cents. Wax is up 40%, trading at 3.5 cents. Synthetics Network up 26%, trading at 45 cents. Blockstack up 24%, trading at 6.7 cents. Kyber Network up 24%, trading at 4.5 cents. And Matic Network up 23%, trading at 0.009. And now for the biggest losers of the day, it looks like we got some stable coins leading the pack, as they were leading the gains just yesterday. So yeah, the biggest losers are only stable coins, and that's because so much liquidity has been pumped into the market, which is what we need right now. Taking a look at the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated an 8 in extreme fear. This is just about as low as I've seen this. Yesterday we were rated a 9, last week a 17, and last month we were rated a 50, which is neutral. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear, which is where we're currently at, represents that investors are too worried, and that can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And now checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown. We have 55 days, 20 hours, 8 minutes, and 28 seconds left to go. But who's counting? This guy right here. We count down every single day here on the show leading up to this historic event, because this is basically the most bullish event which has ever occurred in the crypto industry. It's built into the Bitcoin DNA, and it occurs approximately every 4 years. This year it's set to take place May 12th. Now, if history rhymes, we're going to see a parabolic result post halving, right? And we may see the height of this bull run next year in 2021. I know the stock to flow model with Plan B predicts $100,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2021. I know there's a lot of other major influencers out there still very bullish on the price of Bitcoin leading into the future. So I'm pretty excited about this. The total Bitcoins currently in circulation, 18,274,000. We all know there only ever be 21 million Bitcoin printed. And guess what? You cannot print more. There's no quantitative easing that goes down with Bitcoin, unlike fiat and paper currency, where the Fed decides, hey, we're going to print $1.5 trillion and just bail out all the banks. This is a big transference of wealth, aka theft, and they're stealing money from us. With Bitcoin, they can't print more. And guess what? There's probably about 7 million Bitcoin lost forever, meaning there'll only ever be about 14 million Bitcoin. So talk about scarcity on steroids, right? Percentage of total Bitcoins mined, right now it's 87%. So we only have 13% to go. Total Bitcoins left to mine, 2,725,000. Are you bullish leading up to this event? Let me know in the comments right down below. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking show more below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. And this goes for every video here on my channel. I also want to encourage you to check out some helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. And what's cool about this is I update it every single day, and you can download the latest episode of the show. Also, be sure to subscribe on YouTube if you haven't yet already done so. Wink, wink. And of course, be sure to support us on any of the podcasting platforms you're active on. We're on Apple iTunes, as you can see here, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, TuneIn. So I appreciate your support very dearly. Also, you can follow us on Twitter. My crypto handle is CryptoNewsYes for daily crypto news alerts. And I also have a private crypto Facebook group. To become a part of that, all you need to do is click this link and request to join, and I'll be sure to plug you in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat I'm very active in. To become a part of this, just click this link specifically from a mobile device and you'll automatically be added. And I'm looking forward to connecting with you on the inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto revolution. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, Teeka Tiwari, 5 coins to 5 million, the final five tiny cryptos that can turn a $500 investment into $5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon guaranteed to hit in roughly 50 days. To register for this live event, click the link right down below this video in the description. This goes live tomorrow, March 18th. Don't miss it. It'll be life transforming. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. So go ahead and register and start checking out some of the free videos already released back here that you can start going through and prepare to get ready for 5 coins, the 5 million, the final 5. I appreciate you tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.